If I get Grace's face, I'll see you. Is this recording right now? I think it is actually.
Can I have some gloves, please, so I don't get rope burn?
No.
Really?
What can I hold
Is that
on to?
close enough? No, you might want it further than that, won't you?
Yeah.
How quick are you or slow are you driving?
That's not going to cut the inside of your thighs.
What?
Can I have some... Aaron, you said you've got some spare gloves here.
Yeah.
Can I have some?
How fast are you driving, Aaron?
I don't know yet.
Am I likely to fall off? That's all I'm care
I
about.
feel off.
The girly brown one.
Where am I going to hold on to? I'm going to
Huh?
hold on to this, aren't I?
It's not going to go that
I've
fast.
got my black bench ones in there.
Where?
There's one in the back of the chair. I don't know what it was.
It's going to hurt.
It will hurt your thighs.
Oh, it's Tom.
Put your feet in it. Can you put your feet in it? You should have drilled a hole in it.
Smell that from here.
I can't see if I put my feet in.
That's alright, you don't need to see.
I suppose not. Wait.
You should have drilled a hole in it.
You might want to scoot back
I'll
a
put
little
my
bit.
feet in.
No, where am I going to hold on to? Like that? Or?
You really won't need to hold on, but if you stopped quick. Yeah, that'll do you.
I'm going to hold on to this
You
actually.
can sit right up against the back, lean up against the back.
You get wet too.
I can't see ya.
It's fine. Just let me know if you're going to...
Can I zoom in, Adam?
Sorry?
How do I zoom in? Can I zoom in? How do I zoom in? Oh my days! Faster!
No, funny enough.